Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I will try to show you how to, reduce, the amount of cost, for any resources, and uh, also how to create, an alarm. If the cost is already exceeded something, you have to get, a notification in your email or and this will say help you to to save money. For instance, if the amount of money exceed $100, you have to see which resource has to be removed. And in this case we have to see, go to the Azure, and here you can see, go to cost alert, and in here you have to select, of course, your directory. I mean, here we have to go to create alert, and let's see here, normally we have to go to budget, and in budget we have to see here, add any filter. For instance, here, that billing, profile, and this one is our profile. Or let's see without any filters. And here you see, high cost, for instance, and this will be monthly checked. And if the amount is exceed 10 dollars, let's see, you will get a notification. And let's click, and here you need to select the email that you would like to receive. At least one alert method percentage is required. Please provide a valid, okay, actual, and it's 10. 1,000, 100 euro. And here you need also to add, if you would like to add several emails. And for this it will be language, it will be of course English. Now we can see create, and now if monthly, if the amount of money is exceed, let's see, 100 euro. Let's see, this is a budget. Yeah, this is the budget, $10. And this is actual, it's 0. And if it's already reached 10 euro or dollars, you will get a notification. That's it, and thanks for watching.